Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to update or launch a game on Steam and suddenly see the dreaded message, content file locked, don't panic. This is one of the most common Steam issues, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Stick around till the end because one of these quick methods will definitely solve your problem. So what does content file locked actually mean? It basically tells you that Steam can't update your game files because they're locked or being blocked by something, often due to file corruption, download cache problems, or a simple network hiccup. Let's fix that. First, make sure you're logged into Steam using the correct username and password. It sounds basic, but sometimes a credential issue or limited access account can cause Steam to fail when modifying or updating game files. Double check that you're logged into your main account with full permissions. Next, go to the top left corner of Steam and click Steam greater than settings greater than downloads. Here, click clear download cache. This will wipe out any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the issue. Keep in mind, this will log you out of Steam, so you'll have to sign in again afterward. Once you're back in, try updating the game again. Change download region. If that doesn't help, still in the download section, scroll to download region and switch it to the closest server to your actual location. Sometimes your current region might have sync or connection issues, and changing it helps Steam reconnect smoothly to the content servers. Restart Steam or your PC. Finally, if you're still seeing the error, simply restart Steam or reboot your computer. This resets both network and system states, clearing any background locks or connection glitches that might be holding Steam back. And that's it. After following these quick steps, the content file locked error should disappear and your game should update or launch just fine. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more easy tech fixes every week. Drop a comment if you're still facing issues. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.